Okay, let's pull the second one out. It's a boy. First one was a girl. Second one is a boy. So, that's done. The boy is slightly bigger. Still skinny, both of them, but a little bit bigger. And they'll be fine. It's funny that they're both backwards. I'm glad I was here though. It looked like she was struggling a bit because the little tail was up. So I just go in a tiny bit and just help the tail down, and then just pull the legs straight, because sometimes the legs are folded up and then it's more difficult. So I just pull the legs straight, make sure the tail is down and coming out, you can feel it, and then the rest will come. And if it takes a bit too long, you can slowly, softly pull downwards, just to assist, not to really pull it out, but to help her with every contraction, just to let the baby come out a little bit faster. I just don't like their umbilical cord to be pinched before they have their head out and can breathe. Then they might get oxygen deprived, but I don't know how quickly that happens. So he was out pretty fast. So there you go, 2 little babies and a proud mom.